Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are here with Lavender Blue Florals and Rachel Muse doing a shoot in Whistler Studio downtown Des Moines. This is really just a creative shoot. We wanted to show off some of Lavender Blue's florals and stuff, but it's honestly just an excuse for all of us to get creative together. So here we go. I am shooting on a Canon 5D Mark IV with a Sigma art lens, 35mm, and I pretty much use this at all times. Look at that. Yeah, look at the light. Oh, it's just perfect. Get all of Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Emma and I'm going to be taking you through our first ever YouTube video. During each video, I'm going to give you a few takeaway points just so that I don't ramble on and that you're actually getting something out of it. The first point I want you to take home with me. So the 3 points that I want you to, the 3 points I want you to take home today are: Number 1, why we do free shoots and how they help us build our portfolio. Number 2, the importance of having a really clear vision of your creative shoot day. And number 3, the actual execution of the shoot. I know I like this. I think we're on the same wavelength. So I know if you're just starting out, you might be thinking, well, I do a lot of free shoots and I'm just happy to have clients, and that's totally true, but something that you should always incorporate into your workflow, usually about once a month, is a creative shoot, something that you totally facilitate, you plan, you put together, and it's usually centered around what's inspiring you that month. These free shoots are what help you to build a portfolio that's going to help you get the clients that you want. Most of my creative and free shoots are the ones that I post on my website because they're the most aligned with my vision and my brand. So that leads us right into our second point. Having a clear vision. Having a clear vision for your shoot and being able to communicate that well. So I actually reached out to a florist in Des Moines to see if she'd be interested in doing this shoot with me. My main goal was to use dried flowers, but then after finding our model, Rachel, she has this gorgeous, rich skin tone and hair, and I really wanted to incorporate some brighter colors with her shoot. So for her, I had 2 separate looks. I had the clean, white, minimalist, dried floral look that I had been wanting to do a shoot on for a couple of months. And then the second look being more fun and playful, using bright colors and hopefully some like late summer wildflowers that our florist would be able to find. So it's very important that you have a clear vision and that you're able to share things like mood boards with your models and the other vendors that you're working with, especially if you're doing this for free and they're giving up their time to help you out. It's really important that they don't feel like their time is just being wasted. So that brings us to our third point, the actual execution and getting the shots you're wanting for your shoot day. It's really important on a shoot day to keep the energy light and fun. So crank up the music. I usually bring food and snacks, drinks for the people that are helping me out because they are doing it for free after all. So on the actual shoot day, it's really important that you just relax and sort of let go of that pressure that you've been putting on yourself to get these incredible shots and not waste anyone's time. It's really important that you stay present, like here. Okay. And it'll kind of shadow on your face. Right there, yeah. Wow. I am gonna do a double exposure. I'm gonna try to do that in camera. So let's do one where you're looking at the window or at me or vice versa. So one, and then. But in any situation, one of the most important things you can do is give affirmation and keep moving. Just keep moving and be conscious of where the light is and sort of always direct your model towards that one light source. Standing right there, I love. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Let's take a step out. Yep. Wow. Oh my goodness. Let's look towards the window. There you go. Yeah, okay. Wherever that you find the light, and if you feel it on your face. Yep, yep. There. Oh yeah. Oh my. I'm dead. This is, you look seriously like a Greek god. So I hope you got something out of this, our first behind the scenes shoot video. The 3 points that I wanted you to take away was how awesome it is to do creative free shoots for building your portfolio, that it's very important to have a clear vision of what you want to get out of a shoot when you're going into it, and the actual execution of a shoot day and what that looks like. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.